Grok AI was once one of the best free tools for creating high-quality videos. No watermark, no limits, just pure generation. And then, everything changed. Now the free access is gone. If you want to use it, you're pushed into the Super Grok plan or forced into a 3-day trial that asks for your credit card first. So the question becomes simple. What now? Most people think the good days are over. That free, unlimited video generation is finished. But that's not true. Because there's something better hiding in plain sight. I found a tool that gives you completely free and unlimited video generation. No watermark, no waiting in long queues, and no credit system holding you back. You can turn simple text prompts into full videos. You can also use images and bring them to life. And in this video, both methods will be shown step by step. But it doesn't stop there. You can instantly switch between different video styles, create consistent characters across scenes, and even extend your video length without restrictions. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Meta AI is an image and video generation tool that delivers stunning, consistent results. Here, you can explore generations from other creators, and the results are amazing. After signing up using your email and password, you will be directed to a simple and clean dashboard with a chat-style interface. Click on the New Chat option and choose the Create Video option. We can choose between text to video and image to video. After selecting the video option, you will notice that there are no settings for aspect ratios, but we will fix that in a couple of minutes. Let's paste a simple text prompt to generate a medium-wide shot with dramatic backlighting. A male pirate standing atop a ship's mast, along with other details. Click on the Animate button and wait for a few seconds. And here we have 4 videos generated from this prompt. All the results look good, and the prompt is followed perfectly with camera motion and scene details. On the right side, we have a couple of options, such as adding music and restyling to convert this video into different styles. Let's choose the anime style, for instance. And here we have the same video in anime style. And the result looks great. The best thing is, there is no watermark, so you can use it freely. To check whether it follows aspect ratio instructions or not, I pasted another prompt to generate a close-up scene of a woman standing in the rain. Here we have the output videos, and you can see the video quality, which looks quite impressive. But the problem is that the generations are still in portrait aspect ratio, even after specifying it. Let's fix this issue. Here, I have pasted another text prompt to generate an animated scene. Now click on the plus icon and choose the Create option. This time, select the Image option, and now you will see 3 aspect ratios available. Click on the Generate button, and here we have some amazing output images. Let's choose one of these images. Here, we can add or remove anything from the image, but for the sake of this video, let's click on the Animate button to generate a video. Now we have the output video. And it looks quite impressive. To check its capabilities, I also generated a set of consistent story images, and they look amazingly good. Then, I converted all these images into videos simply by clicking the Animate button. And here we have some amazing results. So, you can take advantage of this free resource to create incredible content before it becomes paid. What do you think about this tool? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.